पहले कहा गया कि पहले को आइए, 30 को ना आइए, 30 के बाद खत्म हो जाएगा। उनका टेलीफोन आया कि साहब अब इसे बढ़ा के 10 तारीख का कर दिया गया, अब आप इस बीच ना आइए, 11 को आइए। तो हमने कहा हम बार बार आप हमको मना करते हैं, आप तारीख बढ़ाते जाते हैं, हम तो आते हैं वहाँ कि पीड़ित परिवार से मिलेंगे, जानकारी प्राप्त करेंगे, हम तो कोई अशांत फैलाने आ नहीं रहे हैं। क्यों? तो साहब ये मेरा आपसे अनुरोध है। तो हमने कहा ठीक है, आपका अनुरोध है, लेकिन हम लोगों का भी है कि हम लोग आएंगे।
जो 5 लोगों की मौत हुई है उनके परिवार के लोगों से हम लोग मिलेंगे। इसके अलावा जो बहुत से लोग घायल हैं, अस्पताल में हैं, पुलिस कस्टडी में हैं, उनसे मिलेंगे और वहां पर शांति और अमन कायम करने का प्रयास करेंगे। भारतीय जनता पार्टी यह चाहती है कि हर शहर संभल बन जाए और पूरे देश में सांप्रदायिक तनाव, दंगा और हिंसा हो।
Now, even when it comes to the reactions coming in from the BJP side, with the UP Deputy CM has launched a blistering attack on Akhilesh and his party. Taking to social media platform X, he wrote that Akhilesh is sending the delegation not because he has sympathy for the community, but he wants to garner votes and add fuel to fire. But it remains to be seen if the Samajwadi Party delegation in the first place would be allowed to enter Sambhal, since the district administration has made it clear that in the interest of maintaining law and order, no one would be allowed to come to Sambhal from the outside.
कोई भी जो भी यहाँ आना चाहता है उन सभी लोगों से हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। वैसे तो जिलाधिकारी के द्वारा प्रतिबंध लगाया जा चुका है कि अभी कोई यहाँ नहीं आ सकता। अभी इस तरीके की चीजें अगर कोई आता है तो यहाँ उत्तेजना का कारण बन सकता है, यहाँ पे इंस्टिगेशन हो सकता है, कोई उकसावा हो सकता है। इसकी वजह से हमने लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट किया है, मैं अनुरोध भी कर रहा हूँ लगातार कि जिम्मेदार लोग हैं, जिम्मेदार जगहों पर हैं, वो हमारी बात समझेंगे। जब एक बार सारी चीजें सामान्य हो जाती हैं, कोई आवे, किसी से भी मिले, कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। मैं तो बल्कि चाहूंगा कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग संभल आवें, लेकिन अभी फिलहाल समय ठीक नहीं है और मैं लोगों से आग्रह करूंगा कि अभी ना आवे तो बेहतर है।
Now, the planned visit by the Samajwadi Party delegations comes after the Supreme Court put a stay on the trial court's action, with the top court, without commenting on the merits of the case, asked the Masjid Committee to approach the Allahabad High Court instead and stated that no further action can be taken in the case till the High Court hears the matter. The CJI Sanjeev Khanna also put the onus on the state to ensure law and order that is maintained, and in his oral observations he said that there shouldn't be any untoward incidents anymore to be reported from Sambhal. Meanwhile, the ASI affidavit has now added the twist. The ASI maintains that the team faced difficulties while inspecting the monument because the officials were preventing from entering it. It states that the inspection was possible only because of the effort of the district administration. It further alleges that the Masjid Committee violated norms by carrying out various modifications inside the mosque. In fact, when it comes to BJP leader Shalabh Mani Tripathi has put out old pictures from the Sambhal Masjid site, claiming that until 2012, before the Samajwadi Party government came to power, prayers were held at the site where Harihar temple stood. He also put out pictures of wedding ceremonies to claim that the temple was converted into a masjid.
संभल का सरकारी गैजेट निकालेंगे और उस जगह को लेकर जो भी लिखा गया है साहित्य में, किताबों में, आर्टिकल्स में, आप उसको अगर पढ़ेंगे तो बहुत स्पष्ट आपको समझ में आएगा कि 2012 यानी कि समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार बनने से पहले आपको तस्वीरें मिलेंगी कि बहुत सी माताएं बहनें वहां जाती थी, पूजा पाठ करती थी, हिंदू रिचुअल्स होते थे। 2012 में समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार आई, शफीकुर रहमान बर्क जो समाजवादी पार्टी के बड़े नेता हैं, सांसद रहे, उनके दबाव में समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार में उस जगह पर पूजा पाठ बंद करा दी गई। पूरी तौर पर हरि मंदिर को कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया जामा मस्जिद में।
Let's get in a word from Pradeep Datta, who is joining us live right now. Pradeep, good morning. Today is the day where even more when it comes to owing to the sensitivity of the situation, politics has been also intensifying. A team from the Samajwadi Party delegation is expected to visit Sambhal today.
Yes, Amita, you are absolutely right. From day one, we have seen that the war of words and the blame game has been continuing. And yesterday, Samajwadi Party has announced that the 15-member delegation will be coming to Sambal area, where they will be interacting with the family members, assessing the situation on the ground, and finally they will be submitting a report to their party chief, Akhilesh Yadav. But so far as the district administration is concerned, they have already made it clear that they've put proprietary orders in place. They will not allow anybody to come out to this place to vitiate atmosphere. I spoke to the commissioner also and the district magistrate. They said at any cost they will not allow anyone to enter inside Sambal because this is not the time to vitiate atmosphere. They want the situation to get completely normal. Only after that anybody can come out to this place. They said that family members are going to be here. Anytime they can come and meet them after a few days. But till then, they will not allow anybody to enter the boundary of Sambal area. So one thing is quite clear, that they will not allow anyone to play politics, because people feel here in district administration that instead of dosing the fire, the opposition party leaders are busy playing politics over the issue. And that's one of the reasons they are not taking any chance. They are taking all sorts of precautionary measures. Because last time also on November 24th, they feel there were certain people who had instigated and provoked, and already in this regard, FIR had been lodged against the Samajwadi Party Member Parliament, Ziaur Rahman Barq. So Ziaur Rahman Barq is also part of the delegation. So in such a situation, when a person already has the charges of being responsible for instigating and provoking people, right, I don't think that in such situation the delegation will be allowed to enter this place to further provoke and instigate people, because life is limping back to normalcy.
However, whenever it comes to the opposition parties, they have welcomed as far as the step that has now been taken up by the Supreme Court in this matter. Remains to be seen what happens today if the delegation which is expected to visit Sambal. Thank you very much, Pradeep, for joining in. Keep an eye out on the